The annual Marel Salmon ShowHow in Copenhagen, Denmark presents the latest and the best in salmon processing technology. It's a top global forum to see and experience salmon processing equipment and complete integrated processing lines. The event runs ongoing live demonstrations in a hands-on environment and holds workshops providing specialist insights into how to optimize various aspects of salmon processing. The 14th Salmon ShowHow, how has the day been?
The day has been really good. I'm very happy and pleased to see all the support from our customers. It's been a very good day so far, absolutely.
So what are the highlights?
In terms of highlights, we have belly trimming tools in our 2730 filleting machine. I'm very happy and proud to say that we now have our own skinning machine for salmon, being able to skin head first on salmon fillets. We also have a color grader for salmon fillets. And for the slicing part, we have now the 3300 line where we can do party packs without any trays or boards. So lots of good stuff to show the customer.
It's all about the customer here.
It's all about the customer, absolutely, and how we create value for our customers with our processing equipment.
How do you like the Salmon Show?
I like it. It's very interesting with so many machines in one place from one company.
Any specific machines that you have been looking at?
Slicing, portioning, and a new skinning machine.
So the portioning machine, why do you like that one?
More clean design, more higher throughput, and a new upgrade to Innova.
We are here at the Innova booth. What is Innova?
Yeah, well, you know, Innova is the system that the salmon producers are using to measure everything that's happening in the machines or on the shop floor at any given time.
And what are you showing us here?
Well, we're giving the factory manager a much better overview in real time of what's going on in his factory. Everything from the receiving of the raw salmon, through the processes, through the currying, through the smokehouses, and to the final dispatch of the orders, make sure everything gets out on time. And this way, you know, he has a better overview of everything that's going on, especially with regards to the quality control and the traceability through the plant.
Stella, what's the Salmon ShowHow about this year?
Halle, it's all about salmon. We are having over 300 customers of ours here in the house today from 150 companies from 32 countries. So it's a truly international event. And we are demonstrating and presenting to them our latest innovations in salmon processing.
It's not all about your innovative equipment. It's you have something more here.
Yes, we are also having several workshops. So we are educating and raising up discussions on relevant topics to salmon processors. We have workshops on traceability, for example, and how to add value to the trims. We're also having a guest speaker here from the Rabobank, who is telling us about the global salmon outlook.
So Björn, how do you experience the Salmon ShowHow this year?
It's very good, I would say. You have a nice facility here and nice equipment as well.
You are into whitefish processing. What interests you here?
You have a new skinning machine, you have a new type of grater, and so you also have some portioning machines. That is interesting for the whitefish as well.
You are introducing a new salmon skinner here. What is the need for a salmon skinner?
Well, there's a huge need for a salmon skinner to be able to be fed head first. The rest of Marel's equipment all runs head first down the processing line, so they wanted an ability to do that at the skinner. Currently, people are standing at the skinner and flipping it to the tail and then feeding it into the skinner. What we've done is we've innovated some things and given our skinner the ability to run head first.
The customer is in the spotlight today.
Yeah, our customer is in the spotlight today. It is a day where it's all about salmon. We are meeting our valuable customers from the salmon industry. All the key players in the industry are here today, and we are demonstrating and educating them on how we can have an impact on their business with our new innovative products. So yes, it's all about the customers and how we can basically, as a partner, have impact on their business.
Service is presenting a new concept here.
Yes, we are. We are presenting the Uptime and Performance Program, where we are standardizing our service offerings with 4 different service levels, premium being the highest one.
What benefits does the premium offer to salmon processors?
Premium offers salmon processors preventive maintenance schedules, where we will come in on regular interval and exchange parts critical for their operation to increase uptime and yield of their machines that are key to their success.
Tell me about DLL.
We as DLL, we are a vendor finance company, fully owned subsidiary of Rabobank, a world-known, privately owned bank.
And what are the benefits for Marel and perhaps the customers?
Yeah, Marel and DLL partnering together, there are 3 or 4 main benefits. First of all, it is you have a benefit versus your competition. Second thing is you can protect your customer base by offering finance solutions. And for the customers, the main benefit is they can use the money for other investments, and financing helps them to tailor-make their payment streams based on their income streams.
So Goran, what are the outlooks in the salmon industry?
We can see 4 key points. Number 1, and most importantly, is the moderation of the growth of volume. Number 2 is the focus of the industry, further focus of the industry towards improvement of the biosanitary conditions. 3, ecological certification. And 4, what we have not seen in the past is demand volatility.
Jacques, last time I met you, we went out for shopping.
Great fun.
Yeah, but here you are running the river portioner in full action.
Yeah, especially on this salmon event. We are running the TRP, the reef portioner, but we do that with Play-Doh. And so the people can see how many different kinds of molds and sizes we have. And they see really the reef portioner in action. But you cannot eat this. At least we don't gonna eat it. I will show you something what we can eat.
Yes. Come. So what's cooking over here?
This is a salmon burger. You see the salmon burger we formed in a burger shape, and we bind it with extruded breadcrumb. And the people really love that one. Now they see what they can do with all the bits and pieces from the salmon.
Smells delicious.
Smells good, eh? We also make a bonbon. We call it a bonbon. All from minced salmon. So from minced salmon you can make really a product when you bring a nice coating around it. And of course our tenderloin with a full texture of the salmon. So from all the bits and pieces and the offcuts, we show the people that they really can make something nice.
There is always something new each year. How important is innovation in the salmon industry?
Innovation is extremely important, and the industry expects something new every year, and we have been able to deliver that. This year we have, for example, the filleting machine with integrated trimming tools, and that's a revolutionary innovation for sure. And we have our skinner, the first one that is capable of running fillets with head first, fresh fillets, and then not to mention at least the sensor C unit, being able to measure a color on a salmon fillet, and that's something you cannot do with the human eyes in production.
And why do you need that?
For grading fillets by color, because the market is demanding specific color, and that's very difficult to do with human eyes.